Hello students, let's see the topic, and the topic is cells, how small or large they are. So we all know that the cells are very tiny. They can be seen only through a microscope. Why cells are very tiny? Because they are the smallest unit for our body. Also, one thing we know, cells are the building block for us. They act like bricks for the living body. So definitely they are very tiny for us. Now, the size of the cell can be varied. Like for the mycoplasma, they are the smallest cell. Mycoplasma, also called as PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism. The size of it is 0.1 to 0.15 micron in diameter. Very important. The longest cells are the nerve cells, and they are 1 meter in length. Definitely they are longest because they help to carry information from one part of the body to another part and help to maintain our control and coordination. The largest cell is the ostrich egg. What is the diameter? 170 multiplied by 135 millimeter in diameter. Among the plants, the single cell alga acetabularia measures 10 centimeter in length, and fiber cells of manila ham has the length of 100 centimeters. So this points we need to know that the longest cell of the body is a nerve cell. The largest cell is the ostrich egg. The single cell alga acetabularia have a size of 10 centimeter in length. The fiber cells of manila ham have a length of 100 centimeters. Coming to the next thing, why the size are differ so much? Why the shapes are differ so much? Because they have to perform various functions. Depending upon that, the cells exhibit different shapes. As we all know, when we discussed earlier that there are many cells which gets accumulated and forms tissues. When similar tissues having same functions, they will be forming organs. When there are various organs doing same functions, they will be forming organ system, and many organ system gets collected and forms a body or organism. In our human body, we are having 11 organ systems like cardiovascular system, excretory system, respiratory system, like that. So depending upon the function what cell is performing, based upon that, the shapes are different. Now come to here. Now see different parts of the body also in different organisms. The shapes of the cells are various. Some cells like amoeba and white blood corpuscles or leukocytes can change their shape as well. Okay. Now see the plants and animals have cells with fixed shape. The plants having fixed cells. Why? Because the plants have their cell wall that helps to maintain their shape. Spherical or oval shape we can see in ovum or ova. Polygonal shape we can see in liver cell, that is hepatocyte, another name of the liver cell. Stellate or cuboidal shape we can see in bone cells. Spindle shape we can see in smooth muscle cell. How it looks like? It looks like that. Also, striated muscle cells are can be cylindrical in nature. Xylem vessels, sieve tubes, phloem vessels, they are also cylindrical in nature. So this thing we need to understand over here. The different shapes and size and their examples is pretty important. Now coming to the next part, that why the shapes are different for them. White blood cells are amoeboid and also having pseudopodia because they have to squeeze out from the capillary wall. We all know that the white blood cells helps to protect what? Immunity. It helps to give us immunity. So if you think about this is our capillary. So some areas of the capillaries are this like. So from this area, what happens? The WBCs are goes to the lymph and it helps for the protection. It provides the protection for our body. To ease the squeeze out, they have their pseudopodia. Pseudo means false and podia means spit. So they are having their false spit that helps to squeeze out from this capillary area. Now RBC are circular and biconcave. They helps to carry oxygen and helps to transport oxygen from one part of the body to another part of the body to smooth out the process in our body. Nerve cells are long because they have to conduct the information from one part to another part and help to maintain a control and coordination. Muscle cells are long and contractile because they help in the contraction and relaxation of the bones. They help in the movement of the bones. Smooth muscle cells are spindle in shape. The bone cells are ciliate in shape. If I'm talking about xylem vessels, they are also elongated and tubular. They help to carry water and minerals from one part of the plant to another part of the plant. The guard cells in the leaves are kidney shaped. How much it looks like? It looks like this. So they are kidney shaped. And they help in the opening and closing of the stomata. When the water comes in the guard cell, when the water comes in the guard cell, what happens? The cell gets turgid. That means it gets swollen. So what happened? On that time, the stomata gets closed. But when the water gets out from the cell, when the water gets out of the cell, it gets back to its normal shape and stomata will open that time. So it helps in the exchange of gases by opening and closing of the stomata. As you can see in the image, that is the human sperm cell. You can see human sperm cells having tail. This is the middle piece. This is the neck. This is the neck and this is the head of the human sperm cell. This is the paramecium. We can see this is amoeboid shape. Amoeboid shape we can see in WBC or white blood cell. This is nerve cell. Nerve cells are longer. It helps to conduct information like the information coming like this and it carry forwards like this and it helps to give the information to the next neuron. Now this is smooth muscle cell. This is spindle in shape. This is squamosite cell. This is bone cell. This is stellate in shape. This is leukocyte. That is WBC. This is fat cell. This is epithelial cell. This is chlamydomonas cell. Guard cell. You can see like kidney shaped or bean shaped. This is liver cell, which is polygonal in shape. This is xylem vessel, which is elongated and tubular, and they can perform various functions. So depending upon the shapes, they can perform various functions. Here we discuss about their shapes and size, why they looks like that, and how small and large they are. So hope you understood it. Thank you.